Construction is complex. Your accounting shouldn't be. Running a construction company is a complicated business, with so many different projects, each with their own timelines, requirements, and challenges. Each project is on its own journey, but you need to have visibility and control over each of them to keep the business running smoothly overall. How can you get this visibility? With Sage Intacct Construction. In this video, we will discuss how Sage Intacct Construction can help you to get full control over your financial journey by using its powerful and flexible dashboards and reporting tools. To get full visibility means more than just having access to all the data within the system. Being fully in control and having oversight means having access to the data that you need quickly and easily. Sage Intacct Construction allows you to do this by utilizing its powerful dashboards and reporting tools. With Sage Intacct Construction, you can at a glance quickly get important information about project profitability and operational performance, as well as compare it to historical data. Having this information in a simple visual screen means that it's easy to spot patterns and trends across the business. Dashboards are easy to use, intuitive, and offer rich financial and operational data about your business. As well as dashboards, you can also create specific reports. Sage Intacct offers over 150 pre-built reports to save you time. However, reports can also be customized, so you can tailor them in whatever way best suits you. If you ever need more information than a dashboard or report can give you, don't worry. You don't need to waste your valuable time searching for the original data. Any report or dashboard in Sage Intacct Construction can be drilled into. With just the click of a button, you can go from top-level dashboards and drill down into individual transactions. With Sage Intacct Construction, you are always in control of your data. Sage Intacct Construction could help to give you complete visibility over your business. You can monitor and track every aspect of every project easily. Cement your financial success with Sage Intacct Construction. To find out more and book a demo, please use the links in the description. Or you can get in touch with our experts directly. You can email us at inquiries@solutionscloud.uk or call us on 0115 840 5075.